Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph. What's going on, what surprise changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now guys, here if you look the price chart of Hedera Hashgraph, so here the price very badly pumped, you can see here, and unfortunately from here again the price start pumping, but again here still the price are going in the lows, guys. So that's too bad for all of you guys. Anyways, now at this point, now you can see here the price of Hedera Hashgraph are going completely in the lows. So that's why, guys, due to these negative changes, you can see negative 2.7% the price dump. So due to this, a lot of people decide to sell, guys, but no, that's not a solution. Selling is not a solution. If you want to buy, if you want to hold, so I just recommend for you, I just suggest for my viewers, my subscriber, holding and buying in a right now situation, guys. So because now if you decide to sell, now you can see here just last 1 day changes is negative, so obviously the last 1 week change also become negative, so you are completely in the loss. But in the future, if you decide to hold, now a lot of possibilities, and as I predicated Hedera Hashgraph that in the 1st October possibilities that Hedera Hashgraph price will pump, guys. So that's why, guys, I recommend for you, please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.